Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Nima, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build your own interactive calendar with daily tasks inside Excel. Most people either keep a notebook beside them or use complicated apps to track their schedule. But what if you could design a simple, customizable calendar inside Excel itself? One that highlights today's date, marks weekends, and even pulls up your tasks automatically. Sounds interesting? Let's dive in. Step 1. Preparing the sheets. We'll create 2 sheets. The first one will be our calendar sheet. The second one will be our task list. It's always a good idea to name your sheets clearly so you don't get lost once things get bigger. Step 2. Building the calendar grid. On the calendar sheet, type the days of the week across 7 cells, Monday through Sunday. If you prefer another start of the week, like Sunday, you can adjust that too. Excel is flexible. Underneath, create a 6x7 grid. This will hold all the days of the month. Here's the trick. Above the grid, we'll add 2 cells, one for the month and one for the year. Go to the Data tab, choose Data Validation, and set it to List. For the source, simply type the months, January, February, March, and so on. Now, when you click the drop-down, you can pick any month you like. Next to it, just type the year. This makes the calendar dynamic. Step 3. The magic formula. Inside the first cell of the calendar grid, type this formula. What this does is sequence, open parenthesis, 6, 7. Close parenthesis creates a 6x7 block of numbers. The date value with month and year tells Excel where to start. The weekday part shifts the dates to align with the correct day of the week. Once you press Enter, you'll see numbers appear across the grid. Now format them as Custom, D, so they show just the day number. Boom, you have a working monthly calendar. Step 4. Highlighting days. Let's make it smarter with conditional formatting. Highlight all the cells in the grid. Go to Conditional Formatting. New rule. Use a formula. Paste this formula. This hides the extra days that don't belong to the current month. Next, add more rules. 1 to highlight today's date in yellow. Now your calendar isn't just static, it reacts automatically. Step 5. Adding the task list switch to the task sheet. Create 2 columns. Column A, task name, like Pay the Bills. Column B, Due Date. You can type as many as you want. Back in the calendar sheet, right under the calendar grid, type this formula. This pulls all the tasks that match today's date and shows them directly under the calendar. So every day when you open Excel, you'll see not only the date, but also exactly what you need to do. Step 6. Polishing the layout. Here's where you can get creative. Change fonts to make it cleaner. Add colors to the weekdays. Remove grid lines for a professional look. Remember, Excel isn't just about numbers. You can design things to actually look good. And there you have it, your own interactive Excel calendar with daily tasks. It's simple, flexible, and completely personalized. No more messy notebooks or overwhelming apps. This is just the beginning. In future videos, I'll show you how to add checkboxes to mark tasks as complete and even create monthly summaries to track your productivity. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the next step. Thanks for watching, and remember, little steps, big progress.